guys, welcome to our channel. This is Cheryl. In this video, I'll introduce how to optimize Amazon product listings. This video can help beginners increase the conversion rate by 40%. As we know, Amazon's sales are growing rapidly and it attracts an increasing number of sellers. As of 2021, Amazon has a total of 1.5 million active sellers worldwide. What's more, this year, 542,000 sellers joined Amazon. This is to say about one new seller every minute. The competition on Amazon is getting more and more intensive. How can you get more traffic and sales? One of the most effective ways is Amazon listing optimization. This is a process that allows you to effectively improve your product visibility and rank higher in search on Amazon. Amazon's A10 algorithm overview. Before we start, it is important to get a better understanding of Amazon's A10 algorithm. This is the most recent algorithm that powers the product searches on Amazon. According to Feedvisor, factors that the A10 algorithm considers include seller authority, sales history, impressions, conversion rate, internal sales, click-through rate, offsite sales, organic sales, and PPC sales. Through listing optimization, you can get more impressions and boost conversion rates, which will contribute to better sales. In a word, listing optimization can help you to root A10 algorithm. After knowing all these above, let's dive into Amazon listing optimization. 7 tips to optimize Amazon product listings. Number 1. Optimize product titles. First of all, you should conduct keyword research by using an Amazon keyword tool. In this way, you can discover keywords with high search volumes associated with your products and keep track of your competitors. Related studies show that the first 5 words are the most important. This is because Amazon will take into account them when creating URLs. Bear this point in mind when writing a title. You can structure your title in this way: brand name, sub-brand name if any, model number, product size, brief description, main features. Besides, go through Amazon's title standards here and adhere to them. Make sure to follow the recommended length of fewer than 80 characters, include spaces and product identifying information. Capitalize the first letter of each word, except for preposition, conjunctions, and articles. Number 2. Add search terms. This is a guide on how to use search terms effectively in Amazon Seller Central. Make sure to follow the tips, such as stay under length limit, include synonyms, spelling variations, abbreviations, and alternate names. Write letters in lowercase, separate words with spaces, and so on. You should also be aware of the prohibited use of search terms. Number 3. Leverage the power of bullet points. Bullet points are specifically designed to help customers make a buying decision. You should keep bullet points clear and concise, no more than 1,000 characters in total for all 5 points. Include keywords, but don't stuff them with keywords. It is recommended to highlight the unique selling point of your product for the first bullet point, start the second and the third ones with a feature, and state the corresponding benefits, address questions buyers might have. It would be great if you use the 5th bullet point to build trust or include a strong call to action. Number 4. Write accurate and detailed descriptions. Having a good product description is key to success, as it has a direct impact on consumers. It is recommended that you highlight the uses, features, benefits of your product here. What's more, provide factual information and keep the description short and clear. Make sure to include the brand name, model number, and series even if they are in the title. It would be also great if you can mention the product's unique properties and compatibility information. In the end, don't forget to check spelling and grammar before you submit it. Number 5. Optimize images. Amazon has strict product image requirements and an image style guide to help you with use of images. Here are basic points that you should bear in mind. Images must accurately represent the product for sale and match the product title, with product filling at least 85%. Make sure that the images has at least 1000 pixels on each side so that they can be zoomed in. It is recommended to use high-resolution images. Keep the background white. Use close-up shots, lifestyle images, and keep the number of images between 5 to 7. It's worth mentioning that if you are a professional seller verified by Amazon as a brand owner, you can add A+ content to your product listings like unique image and text layouts, product comparison charts, carousel display, videos, etc. A+ content can make your product listings more impressive. Number 6. Aim for positive feedback. Reviews play an important role in the customer journey. How important they are. According to a Forbes article, 87% of people read reviews and 79% trust them. That is why you should try to get as many good reviews as possible. How to do this? You may ask buyers to review your products within 4 to 20 days from the time of purchase by using Amazon's Request a Review to send a review request email. To get more honest and unbiased feedback, you may also consider participating in Amazon One program, which can help you reach out to trusted reviewers. Once you've got a review, you can reply by using primary keywords that aren't included in the title, as well as a few secondary search terms to improve SEO. Number 7. Offer competitive prices. This is the ultimate tip, as pricing has a big influence on consumers' decision-making process. How to take advantage of it to increase both sales volume and revenue. Please check out our previous video to learn how to price your products right. To successfully sell on the world's biggest online marketplace, you've got to make your product listings stand out. Make sure to follow the tips in this video, guys. If you like our video, we'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button below, subscribe and turn on notifications to stay tuned with us. See you next time!